Okay, we're here in Pick Apart because Ed broke his window while putting the regulator back in and everything. He used the wrong bolt and sent it right through the glass. So that was fun. So we're gonna pull the upper door frame from the Audi that he took all the other parts from. Huh? What? Where? Oh, right there? Yeah, I'm good.
Well, I'm not trying to go through that.
Yeah, we can't go through there. But I haven't been to Pick Apart in a while. Wonder if there's anything good here. After we get your shit. There's some Monte Carlo over there. Maybe we'll walk around. Oh, we probably should have grabbed a cart.
I was thinking about that because it's an entire door frame.
Alright, I'll meet you there.
Dragwing on a side?
I'm gonna go find a cart. Yeah, look at that. God damn it. Now I gotta go all the way up front. Son of a bitch. Nissan. Probably. Oh, there's the... This is the G that I took my interior out of. Yep. That's funny, the car's still here. This car's been here for probably 3 years. Well, that's one way to take off the timing chain. That's funny. Yeah, I took my black weather stripping and interior out of that car 3 years ago. Okay, shopping cart. Where is it? There's usually not too much to look at these places. It's usually a bunch of shit, but... Want some tires? Need some tires, guys? Alright, got the gloss out already, it's right there. We're doing the passenger side regulator just so we can maybe cannibalize it for parts if we need to. And yeah, so nothing else really on here to take. Especially because it's an auto. Too bad it didn't have an aftermarket stereo in it. You could take off and get all the plugs and everything.
I know, right? Yeah, it's funny, like, it has a tape deck and everything I said, like that, and the 6 disc in the trunk, or wherever the 6 is at, but it comes with heated seats. Mine didn't.
Huh. That's interesting. This is a V6? I can't tell. No, this is a Turbo 4 as well. I don't really see anything else too crazy. This Volvo is pretty nuts. It's an interesting color.
But hey, if you look at all the center consoles, all of them are taken out on.
Really? This thing's a pile. Ugh. Very interesting color. Yeah, so we made all the consoles are taken out, like on all these, because they all get destroyed from people's arms. So like console, oh, that one's still got it. Console lid's gone. It's just funny. So just a Peugeot, just right next to you here.
I know. I saw it the other day, and I was very unimpressed with the interior.
Yeah, it's ugly. It's funny. You don't see anything like this very often. Ugly. It's ugly. Okay. All right. What we got over here? Couple old Mercs, a Jag, bunch of V-dubs over there still. Actually a pretty straight car. Could make a drift build out of one of those. Not really seeing anything too exciting. Go walk around the other side, see if we see anything cool. Oh, yellow beetle, my favorite. And a green one? What? That's a nice hood prop. Weak sauce. Wrecking yards on the West Coast suck. What you got there, Ed?
Oh, window. Because I broke the other one.
Let's go this way. Just go out to the main road so you're not banging in between cars.
What?
This guy. Alright. So now, back to the house. Put the window in. Don't break it this time. The hell is that?
Awesome.
Here, look at that real quick. Ideally, this all goes back together smoothly, though, because there's no more around here. Damn, that Charger got fucked up. Or Challenger.
Ooh, there's your top.
Jesus Christ.
Josh, where you at?
Gotta walk through the Chevy aisle real quick. Camaro.
How funny would it be if they actually had it? Yeah. That's you. Malibu, whatever you wanna call
Doubtful. Like a PPV Caprice, I would assume, would be here. Not anything nicer than that, though. A lot of third gens again. Little tranny here. Bunch of V6 Camaros. That's all I got. What's over there? There's a couple of oldies in here all of a sudden.
Oh, damn, dude, that thing's fucking sick. Yo.
It's kind of cool. Well, there's your problem.
Hole in the floor? Oh. Motor's sitting a little low.
Yeah. Interesting.
Like the patina on it's so good though.
Yeah. I'm surprised they have so many older vehicles.
A little Monty right here.
Is that supposed to do that?
Yeah. It's the new floating motor mounts.
God, just full of garbage. Dang, check it out, bro.
PT that down.
That convertible Sebring. I remember when those were popular too. Bunch of neons, calibers. Oh, there's that motor I was looking for. A couple cool old cars, but nothing special. What?
I was like, where the hell did you go?
All right, let's get out of here. Let's get this done before it gets too hot. Get your pile back together.
Yeah.
To be honest, I think that tent might be the same.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh,
might be. I don't know.
It won't be that far off.
The caddy aisle. Lots of caddies.
Well, there's Visa. Who'd have thought the North Star motors just wouldn't make it?
Yeah, right? Garbage motor. All that's trash over there. Pontiac. Oh, there's your Impala aisle. Oh, there's a couple SS's over there. Malibu. Is there a Malibu?
No Malibus?
Nothing special. All right, so it's hot. And it's not as hot as it was a couple days ago, which I'm very thankful for, but we did get out here early. It's not even 11 o'clock yet. It's about 90 degrees out here. We got the glass, nothing else to grab, bunch of older cars, lots of Camaros. Josh, come get your third gens, bro. But go home, get the Audi out of the garage, and get to work. Hopefully we put everything back together and there's no issues today, ideally. If we come across anything, I think Ed's gonna lose it. He almost lost it yesterday when he shattered the glass using the wrong bolt. Simple, easy day. We're gonna do the window and the side view mirror for the passenger side to match the carbon from the right hand side now, or the driver's side. I haven't eaten yet today, so my brain's moosh. Trying to think what else we're gonna do. I don't know. Getting slow. The SS is all caught up on everything, so I don't really know what else to work on. I gotta look into my front lip. I need to hit up my guy about my carbon lip for the SS. That'd be fun. Just waiting for Ed, getting AC going. Oh, here he comes. See you guys later. Okay, we are done. The windows in, went swimmingly, and just the regulator wire was a pain in the ass. We had to look up a little guide because I've never worked on one like that. There's actually 2 springs, one at the top, one at the bottom on each cable. You compress those and that allows you to twist the cog and snap it into the gear. So it's all done though. I'm not going to close the door because Ed's keys are on his passenger seat.
Yeah, you don't have good records?
I don't have good track records with that, so mirrors are all done. We did that one yesterday, and now today this one all set. Super nice carbon fiber. Gonna seal those with a little ceramic sealant real quick. You don't have to move the car yet.
Okay.
Yeah, just wait. But so far so good, coming along. Next is gonna be wheels. Suspension still needs to settle because he hasn't driven since yesterday, but looking good.
And the rear windows, another day.
Yeah, the rear window regulators, but that's another day.
The mental capacity.
Yeah, that today and yesterday.
One window a month.
Definitely wipe this out, that's for sure. Oh, we have company. Say hi to the YouTubes.
Hi, YouTubes. We're taking a break.
All right.
Being attacked by birds going.
Thank you, brother.
Oh yeah, we got attacked by birds again.
Yeah,
So
it went through my car.
Yeah, it flew through the car and then went over to that tree over there. So
Oh, yeah, did you hear me
I think they're gone now.
Yeah, because I was down there, back to it, and it came down. I was like, I'm fine with it. Like,
Because they were like swooping down and hitting our backs.
Like, whatever. But he came in
Through the car.
and went between my arms
Yeah.
and legs, through the door, at him, out the other door.
Yeah, ballsy.
Yeah.
Ballsy
He crossed
birds.
the line.